Okay, welcome back to Garage 512, everybody. So it's the day the Vette is leaving ProTech, where it's been for the last month or two, seems like. And tow truck driver is here because obviously the motor's blown. So we're having it towed over to ZF Worx, called AAA. They've got their flatbed. So we got the car here. So we'll just wait patiently until we can get this on the flatbed, and stay tuned.
1 hour later.
Okay, so the previous tow truck driver was not prepared. He did not have the 2x4s or anything to load the car, so we are loading it on a different one, and they are jacking it up this time. So this is plan B. See what I mean? Hold on, I'm going. Look. Yeah. Right now. Up. Thank God. All right, I think we're all set to go. I'm going to follow them over to the shop and get this unloaded and at ZF Worx.
1 hour later.
And it's here. Hey, brother. I only beat you by about 2 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so just a few more shots. Backside. The shadows are killing me. Killing me, Smalls. There we go. And let's go look at my block. And there she is. All the things. It's my LED kit. First, the engine bling, because it'll be all black inside, so black underside of the hood. It'll be hard to see, so that's multiple colors, remote control. There's the black alternator there. What's that? Oh, those are the door stickers. That's the black alternator bracket. Nope, that's the black alternator bracket. What's this? Oh, that's the black 103 Nick Williams throttle body. Yep, LSR. Good stuff. It's what's for dinner. Okay, we are at ZF Worx. We are at their shop. These guys, this right here. Anyway, car's here. Finally, now I can relax. The hood is spectacular. I don't know if this picture will do it justice, but yeah, they did an awesome job on that part. And the rear looks amazing. I have not seen it until today, really from behind, because at the shop it parked against the back of the wall, so you really couldn't see it. But that looks sweet. So anyway, it'll probably be here for a couple weeks. Probably start working on it, I think, next week. He'll let me know at the end of this week. But it'll probably be in that spot, or it'll be in that spot. That's a Camaro, 2,000 horsepower, probably twin turbos, who knows what. So anyway, yeah, looking forward to getting this motor in and this existing motor over to LME, where they can diagnose what the hell went on with it. I suspect drop lifter or a broken valve, valve spring. So we'll see. Anyway, stay tuned, and thank you for liking and subscribing and always tuning in. So I'm getting excited again. It's been a couple months since the motor was done, and time to smile. Anyway, when it comes to your healthcare, guys, please, please, please do yourself a favor. Check that PSA box and that blood form. Check those doctors and check that box.